where to start, we have, what did you mention? A little bit of rain, cool down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Gosh, my short-term memory is
A little
failing
snow.
me. Little snow.
And then the teleconnections, yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
All right, my turn. There are some snow showers working into western and southern Maine, some scooting into the mountains as well. At the coast, it will likely be a cold rain, but you look at the returns down near Kittery, and there are some signals that some light snow is moving into extreme southern Maine. The system that's going to be driving the next couple of days of weather is still north of the Great Lakes. So, tonight it's all pretty light. It's brief. It's not long lasting, and we're not expecting any significant accumulation. You see the trend: coastal rain, interior, and mountain snow. These will be passing through overnight. I think tomorrow morning is fairly quiet. May start out similar to today in that we'll have some sunshine, but overall tomorrow ends up a lot cloudier, and we'll have more numerous rain showers develop into the late afternoon, evening commute time, and it's going to be damp. So do expect there to be some showery weather heading into tomorrow evening. This little stationary boundary lifts north, and that will focus the precip, rain and mountain snow, closer to the Canadian border. Then this little low drifts right up the Maine Canadian border, and it keeps the snow and most of the precip to the north part of the state. So like north of Route 2 looks to be where most of it comes. Not a ton of snow. There could be some 2 to 4 inch numbers, extreme northern Maine up in the county, but this doesn't look like a huge offering. Picking this up Thursday as that system moves out. This is the frigid feel number 1. This is on Friday. Northwest winds come in. It brings the cold, and wind chill values for some may stay sub-zero on Friday afternoon. I think air temperatures, everyone stays below freezing. Then it warms back up just a touch on Saturday as this next system approaches. Then Saturday night into Sunday, maybe a little more snow in terms of the scope of it, but I don't think it's going to offer large accumulations. I think just more people may get involved with the light snow that this one brings. And then after that one moves out, this is when I think it turns colder for longer. We talked about this last night, the Arctic oscillation and the North Atlantic oscillation. You see Friday's dip. That's where it gets cold Friday. It comes back up over the weekend, but then it really drops off into next week. This is how a weather textbook would show you the effect of a negative AO or NAO. This is how the data is depicting it. This is from the European model, a huge trough, and that is going to mean a pretty cold outlook into not only the first part of next week, but it looks like through the middle and late parts of the week as well. If you're on the water, 4 to 7 foot seas tomorrow, low 40s on the water temperature, small craft advisories in effect. There's that cold Friday, milder Saturday, and another chance for snow on Sunday with perhaps yet another offering on Tuesday as those temperatures continue to drop. So bit of an active pattern, but no significant storms on the horizon.
Which could be a good thing.
Yeah, just depends on, to each their own. Everyone likes different things.
Right,
yeah.
right.
Mm-hmm.
I think the AO and then NAO, it's all very interesting. And I know here in Maine, we have a lot of people interested in weather weenies, if you will. So
big show. 3:30. Yeah, it's a huge show.
Shout out to weather weenies.
There's a lot. I mean, we get weenie emails all the time. So.
Well, it's very interesting, and I know people enjoy it. So good insight there.